In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Temu app verification puzzle problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if the Temu app keeps showing a puzzle verification that won't load, it won't complete, or keep failing, here are the steps you can try to fix. So basically, these puzzles come in all different types. So I've just done a Google search for Temu app verification. So they can look very different. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab here. So we got this puzzle that we need to slide to complete the puzzle. So you just go ahead and we need to go ahead and put that diamond or that shape inside of that shape. So we just go ahead and use your scroller and scroll that across, and that will complete that. Also, we got other ones like this too. So I'm just going to go ahead and click onto this. And again, this is another slider, so you want to go ahead and slide to complete the puzzle. And there should be other ones here too. So basic, whatever the instructions are, just go ahead and complete. But in order to fix that completely, there's a few steps what we can try. So first step here is to check your internet connection. So a weak or unstable connection can stop the puzzle from loading. So if you have completed it but it won't fix the issue, just go ahead and try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and even restart your router if you are on Wi-Fi. Also, we can close and reopen the Temu app. So sometimes the verification pub will get stuck, so just force close Temu, reopen, and try logging in again. Now we can try clearing your app cache. So clearing cache usually fixes loading or stuck verification issues. So basically, tap and hold down the Temu app and then click onto the little eye. And then from there, scroll down under storage, go ahead and click onto clear cache. Don't tap clear data unless needed, it will log you out. Now, another fix is to simply update the Temu app. So go to your Player App Store, search for Temu, and if it says update, go ahead and click on that update button. If it doesn't say update and it says open, that means your app is up to date. Now, the last two steps is to go ahead and uninstall Temu and then restart your device as well.